welcome to In the Shop. We're going to discuss this Glacern vise that I have on my new milling machine. I'm not paid by Glacern Machine Tool. I'm not paid by any of their distributors. I bought this with my own money as a full disclosure. When I bought my new mill, I decided I wanted the best of the best that I could afford. Started looking at Curt vises. They were several $100s, way more than I could afford. I started looking at lower end premium vises and decided that they weren't what I wanted. I ultimately ended up stumbling across Glacern Machine Tool. Bought their 4-inch vise, and I'm going to warn you right now, this vise was north of $450. May scare you. In my opinion, it was worth every dime I paid. It is a wonderful, wonderful work holding device. It is a very faithful copy of a Curt. Glacern. I'm not sure how you pronounce them. I'm horrible with pronouncing names. I decided after doing a lot of review, after seeing some of the reviews, after seeing some of the information, a few phone calls to the company, that this vise was worth purchasing. The vise comes packed in a double wall box with plenty of foam. When this carton was yet inside another carton. Came damage free. Couldn't ask for better. Comes with a little file folder. You open up your little file folder and your receipts are in it. A nice little breakdown of what the parts are in case you need to order a replacement part. Once again, it's a faithful copy of a Curt. This is the GSV 440. They call it a CNC vise. I believe that these would work out well on any CNC machine. You get a little test certificate, and I really, after working with some cheaper vises, I really believe when they say the bed to height is 2/10, when they say the parallelism's a 1/2 thou, when they say the perpendicularity is a 1/2 thou. I really believe that that's what it is. I really do. The vise is as smooth and as nice as any Curt I've ever used. Comes with a very robust handle. This is cast. This for the hex down here, this is broached. This is not a piece of cheap pot metal. This is solid steel. The hex for your handle to fit on is fully machined. It is just butter silky smooth. The nut inside of here, and you can't see it, is capped on the end. This is important because it'll keep shavings, swarf, garbage, whatever you want to call it, out of your screw and let your vise move freely without having to worry about cleaning it, taking them apart and cleaning them out. I do have that problem on my Curt vises that I run in VMCs at work. Yes, sometimes they have to come apart and you got to clean the garbage out of them. They come with hardened and ground jaws. It can be fixed to the inside or to the exterior of the movable jaw or the fixed jaw. They are a standard width, so you can order 4-inch jaws for these in a soft jaw configuration. In a soft jaw configuration to where you can machine them yourself, or machine them to be a part of a fixture or whatnot. They are a standard configuration. It is serialized on this side, so this vise, my receipts are all married to myself. It's fully traceable back to Glacern. This vise is a pleasure to use as compared to some of the cheaper premium brands that I've seen out there. The collar is set screwed on your screw, just like on the Curt vise. The screws fully machined. All the surfaces are ground. They're not just machined off. They're hardened. They're ground. You are looking for a premium vise. You are looking for a vise with no jaw lift. You're looking for a vise that will come to be a very trusted piece of equipment. No worrying about parallelism, no worrying about not having good clamping ability, not worrying about jaw lift. I highly suggest you look at this. I will put a link to their website below in the description. A little expensive, worth every dime I paid. I'm Aaron Kohler. Thank you for watching. I hope I will see you all at the 2024 Indiana Model Engine Show.